Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to find the value of the variance and the standard deviation using the Microsoft example. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to be notified for our future uploads. And now guys, let's start. And then as you can see here, we have a set of data. The first thing we need to do is to find the value of the mean. In finding the value of the mean, just click the button right here and select average. And then as you can see, the data were automatically selected and press enter. And now we have the value of the mean, which is 33. For the next step, we have to find the deviation of each data point, or the deviation. It tells us how the data point is far from the mean. In finding the deviation of each data point, just type equals and then select the first data, which is 50, minus the mean. And now we can see that x minus mean, or x is the data, and then put a dollar sign into it, just like this, then press enter. As we can see, we have now the value of the deviation of this data point 50, which is 17. To find the division of these numbers, just drag down this one, just like that, and that's it. To find the sum of these number, you have to select this, to click this button and press enter. And now for the next step, we have to find the variance of each data point. And the variance is just equal to the square of the deviation. All we need to do is to type equals, equal sign right here, and select this one and raise it to the power of 2 to get the value of the square of this number. And then we have it. It's 289. The same process. Just drag this down. Now that's it. So to find the sum of this number, same process. Just click right here. Or you can use the sum function. Just click sum, then parentheses, click right here, then drag down, then press enter. And now we have the summation of these numbers. And now let's find the value of the variance. So in finding the value of the variance, the first thing we need to do is to find first the value of the n, which is the number of the data. In finding the value of the n, just use the count function, count, open parentheses, and then click and drag, then enter. That's it. We have 10 samples of this data points, of this data set. And then as we know that the variance is equal to the summation of x minus mean square divided by n minus 1. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. So now it will be the summation of x minus n square divided by n minus 1, which is 9. Then enter. And this is now the value of the variance. So there is another method of finding the variance. It is more easier and faster. Just put equal sign and then type var dot s and then select this data and drag down and then press enter, and that's it. We have the same results. And then now we will find the value of the standard deviation. As we know that the variance is equal to the standard deviation is equal to the square root of the variance. So just type equals and select this value, then raise it to the power of 0.5 to get the square root value of the variance, and then press enter. So as we can see, we have now the value of the standard deviation, which is 10.6144555. Then there is also another method of finding the standard deviation here in Microsoft Excel. Just type equal sign, then stdev.s. Then same process, click this data and drag down this one and close parentheses and enter. So as you can see, we have the same result and the different method. And that's it, guys. We have now the value of the variance, the standard deviation. As we can see, there was a same result and different method. And that's all for this video tutorial, and I hope you learned something new. And thank you for watching, and once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for our future uploads. Thank you.